Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know which one's gonna be this one because I did a planning, but I'm not respecting because I'm a rebel. Guys, today we will have some Chanel, and I'm sure what I will be showing you, because I think I will put all the bags in the thumbnail, so before watching you will know what I'm talking about. Like, is this logical? No. But voila, it's how I am. So today we will have some Chanel, and today we will have a limited edition Chanel from 2003, 2004, which means this baby will be an official vintage bag next year, as we are in 2022. Yeah, I'm really bad with math. So let me introduce to you this beautiful Chanel limited edition with this bag charms from 2003. I don't know how to show this. And 2004. I love the color. She's so pretty. If you know me, you know me. If you know me, you know that if I buy a bag and the bag doesn't have its official unboxing, I'm not going to wear it. How do you say? I should check how you say baptême in English, where, you know, like when you are Catholic and you go to the church and they put
some water on you, and you are like, how do you call that? You know, with Jesus in the lake and the water and the thing. Yeah, this thing.
So voila. So yeah, I bought this bag about 2 years ago, maybe 3, I don't know. I remember I got this as a Valentine's Day gift, and I found it on Instagram. I will try to find my conversation with the seller. She was so nice and she was so lovely, and I will try to link her here, because I know how hard and dangerous sometimes it is to buy with Instagram sellers. Why? Because you have to do a bank transfer and you have like no guarantee that you will receive your item. And I think it could be nice if, you know, in the YouTubers, Instagram, or collectors universe, we could help each other, saying like, oh, this seller is nice and I was able to buy with her or with them or with him, and he's, you know, trustable, blah 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 blah. Because yeah, buying on Instagram sometimes can be really like you stress your soul, because you know you're going to send the money but you're not sure you will get the bag. So when I found this one, I was really stressed. I paid around 3,000 and something, 3,100, 200, like around 3,000, which is, comparing to Chanel price, cheap, but it's still 3,000. And yeah, it's money. I mean, I work, you know, to afford it. So if I lose 3,000, I will be like sick the hell out of me. So I was really stressing. The seller really tried, you know, to, you know, help me. Like, she showed me some convo she had with her clients, etc., and she always sent me pictures and everything, so everything went really well. So I will try, you know, to link her here. And voila, this is a limited edition. This is not, let me open, a classic flap. This is a single flap, made in France. You have this zip here. I received it, sorry. You have the zip here, I have the card, then you have a little pocket here, and I still, as you can see, I still have the sticker. And yeah, I really like, I bought this bag because, you know, of the color. And yeah, I do like single flap bags because I think they are, you know, easier, you know, to open, take your stuff, and voila. But for this one, I think I will buy bag insert because, you know, the leather is really, can you see this? Really soft. And I can see a few wrinkles, especially when you open. Attention, the eyes. If you are a wrinkle, if you have a wrinkle phobia. But yeah, so I think I will put a bag insert, you know, to try to help the bag keep its shape. Let's be honest, this bag is like 20 years old almost, and I think for the age she's looking pretty good. And what else can I say? Oh yeah, the little charms. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. It adds a little bit of fun, you know, to the bag, which I like. But I've checked and you can remove it in case I get too annoyed by it. But yeah, guys, what do you think about this beauty? I really like it. For me, it's like a fuchsia color, which means I still have to buy a purple Chanel bag or bag. And yeah, but I cannot wait to wear it with green, pink, black, white, like every brown. It's gonna be look. I mean, it's gonna be really good. And voila. Guys, let me know what you think about this bag. And voila. If you don't follow me yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, if you want to train your French or learn some French, I have my new channel in French as well. So if you want to support this channel, you can go, I will link it here. You can go follow me there. And voila, let's finish today with this beautiful, nice, pretty little thing. And yeah, I see you tomorrow for day number, I don't know which one's gonna be, but I see you tomorrow for, yeah, the rest. Let's continue this unboxing, crazy unboxing month. And thank you again, and je vous fais des gros bisous. I see you tomorrow and have a nice day. Bye.